Today's headband wig, you guys, is from Wiggins Hair. So I pretty much showed you guys everything that came in the packaging, especially these really gorgeous headbands. So these are super cute. I know you guys have probably seen these somewhere a lot, but I was so excited to get them just for the simple fact that usually I just get like the typical, you know, regular print type of headbands, but they actually like sent me these ones, and I think these are so cute. So I'll show you guys them one more time. One of them basically is blue and gold, the other one is black and gold, and these are so shiny and pretty, and they really look good in the light. Now I do have on the white one, but you can't really tell that the white one is blinging. Like I could see it here sitting in my mirror as like the light is bouncing off on it, but these ones you could see it a little bit more than you can with this one, at least not on camera I don't think. But I'm actually going to take this one off. So I'm just going to leave it like this just for the sake of kind of switching it up a little bit. I'm just going to get right into it. This is a headband wig. It's their body wave texture. I do have it in 16 inches and the density on it is 150. Now I don't think that you get to pick the density on the wig. Let me double check though. So no, it doesn't give you the option to choose your density at all. But the first thing that I noticed about this hair, and it's one of the things that I'm not too crazy about, is the fact that this wig is on the thinner side. So I pretty much won't be curling this hair again, just because I feel like because it is so thin, when I do curl it, it looks like I only have like 5 curls on my head, and I'm not really going for that look or feeling that at all. Quality is good and all that stuff, but it's just a little bit thinner. I feel like if they fix that, then this wig would be perfect, especially for this length. It is on the affordable side. It was $115 or $16 if I'm not mistaken. Definitely under $120 for this 16 inches. I'm sure, of course, the higher or the more the longer the length you go, of course the price is going to change. But if you stay like in the 20 and under range as far as length, then you can pretty much find these headband wigs for an affordable price. I'm just not crazy about how thin this one is, because like I said, this is all the hair to the front. It's body wave hair, but I'm noticing that it does not hold a curl. because my curling iron is awesome. So it's not the curling iron, because I usually curl my hair with the same curling iron. It's just the hair itself. Their hair is known to be a little bit on the silkier side, which I love, especially when I want to get straight hair from them. But as far as like with this particular body wave wig, it's not really holding a curl all that well. As you can see, there's a little bit of a curl here, but it's not like holding the majority of the curls that I had originally put in the hair. Wish that it actually held a curl, and I wish that it was just a little bit more fuller. But for this wig, this might actually work for somebody, especially if you don't plan on curling it, and if you just like want to wear it straight, then I feel like it will look a lot better straightened. But I love it when it's in a ponytail and it has that slight type of curl to it. I just don't like it when it's curled and it's down. But I mean, I'm still gonna wear this. This is just gonna be more of like a, I mean, they're all considered everyday wigs to me because they're so easy to put on, but this one will be one that I will probably specifically only wear like in ponytails or high buns, because it'll be a little bit easier to work with as far as it not being a lot of hair for me to, you know, put it up and whatnot. Then the band on the back, which is, I can't really fault them for this because I'm seeing it being like a common thing with most of the hair companies that are coming out with these headband wigs. This right here, they don't really make the Velcro extend enough, so this part is just hanging off, and sometimes I tuck it under, but then it comes out. But if I were to wear this with the regular headband, like the stretchy kind and not these ones, then these ones pretty much help that issue because these bands are super thick, so it helps that flap to stay down. You guys, I'm going to go ahead and include this clip into the original. It is 2 weeks later, and I decided to go ahead and cut the hair. I don't know, it was just driving me just a little bit crazy that the unit was so thin initially. So what I'm going to do is I went back on their website, and now they have like bob headband wigs. Before, when I got this headband wig, before I cut it, of course, they didn't have any bob wigs on their website, so now they finally do. So I guess that kind of works out, so you don't have to go through the hassle of actually cutting yours like I did. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link for the original wig, which is this wig essentially. But if you would much rather have a bob headband wig, I'm gonna go ahead and leave their link for that as well. Now, I haven't gotten their bob headband wig, I just see that now they have them, but usually when the hair is shorter, it's a lot thicker and it's giving what it should have been giving in the first place. But that's just an alternative. If you guys liked how it was thin and that works for you because it looks super natural, then get that one. If you would much rather have a short one, then go ahead and get the bob wig. So you got two options to choose from. This is much better. I love this hair company, you guys. I say that all the time, but I also feel like it's my obligation to let you guys know my true opinion of the hair, whether it's sent to me or not. And this one was just okay. I feel like it would be better to go ahead and just get a bob wig if you like this look. I tried my best to cut this as even as possible. I think it looks pretty good, and I just kind of bumped it slightly at the end. So that's all that I wanted to make sure to come back and tell you guys. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to let me know. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.